Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to A/B test a subject line here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, go ahead over to campaigns and let's just go ahead and create a new campaign. Okay, and here make sure that you have selected create an A/B test. Click on it, and once done, let's just go ahead and set up our A/B test campaign. All right, so let's just go ahead and enter a subject line for version A right here, and after that we can go and click on add B version. Okay, for example, subject line A right here, maybe discount. Okay, and your pre-header you can go ahead and add in one, or add in B version right here, and subject line be different. Okay, maybe promotion. All right, and once that's done, scroll all the way down and give it a campaign name. Okay, this one is optional and it will be used for internal use. Okay, maybe just A/B testing. Okay, now go ahead and select the email or create one right here, create email. Maybe we're going to select offer a discount right here and happy Father's Day. Okay, use this template like so, and then finish editing. Okay, if you want to as well, you can edit it however you want. Now we have the A version. B version right here, just copy the email A. Okay, as we're just going to be testing the subject line, whatever works best. Just click on finish editing, wait for it to load, and then once it loads you can go and click on next step. Select your subscribers right here or this way, segments. Okay, head on next step. Okay, and it says here how many recipients should receive the winning version. Okay, be 90%, or you can drag it down to 50, 60, however you want. Okay, it could be by click rate or open rate after what, 24 hours or 2 days. All right, and once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on next step. And then here, make sure that you have at least, of course, 10 subscribed contacts. Now, version A right here, here's an information preview. Okay, subscribers, A/B testing, schedule, or send it now. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.